Hello students, in continuation of the previous what is Java class, now in this one we have some questions, and these questions are based on that Java introduction only. So I mean, in that one we discuss so many things, starting from the what is whether Java is dynamic, how Java is platform independent, and we discuss about bytecode as well. So here are the questions which you need to answer now. The first question is how Java is platform independent. That we discussed here in what is Java. So you need to answer this. Second, write a note, short note on bytecodes. What are bytecodes? That we explained, and we also discussed about class files, and in in detail we had discussion. So please you need to go through all this as well. And then why Java main method is static. This actually syntax we discussed, but let me clear that thing here. Why Java main is static? Actually, if Java main is not static, then it will not available to classes to your JVM. Actually, JVM requires your Java main method for running your program. So if Java main method is not static, it will not be available without object creation. So when object creation will be done, then only this will be available. And while what we want that the main method should be available with the class creation itself. So now as Java main is static, so your whenever your class will be created, JVM can call it. So JVM can call it. So it means if it is not static, then it will not be object independent. So it will have to be dependent on the object. So that means when your object will get destroyed, when that object will not be in need, then automatically that will be destroyed. So that by the garbage collector, that will that will not be in existence. So when that will not be in existence, your main method will also go. While we need main method, as I said, it is required by it is used by JVM to call. So you will have to have make it static. Means it will remain there. And one more thing, when static is there, means it has relevance with the class only, not at all with the object. So whether you create any object or you do not create any object, it is it will not be waiting for that one, that you when you will create object and then it will be called. So it means it will be JVM will be setting its environment, your program running. So Java main has to be static. So the main aim is of this one, it should be accessible, one with the class itself, and it will be your object independent, and it will remain throughout the program until and unless your program will get over. Till then it will remain there. And another thing is this, it is public, so it will be accessible directly with the it will be directly accessible with the class. And one more thing, it will be in the public class only. So the name, class name, and your program name should be same. When your program will get over, then only it will be this method will get over. So as your program will be there, till that time this static method will be available, and it will be invoked by JVM, and then only your program will run. So Java main has to be static. These are the regions. So one more thing about of last class, in that one I said JVM is responsible for running your program. Please keep in mind, JVM inside the JVM is available at both the time, at compile time and runtime both. So JVM is inside runtime for running your program. So not only JVM is, only JVM is not responsible for running your program. It requires so many libraries there, like starting from your java.lang package will also be there, and runtime environment that will be having rt.jar files. So runtime environment is responsible for running your program. So JVM is inside the your Java runtime. So keep in mind only JVM is not responsible. So whenever if MCQs or something comes out, you will have to take care of that. That Java runtime environment is responsible for running your Java program, and JVM is inside that one. So you need to take care accordingly here. Then the other questions which have been given here, Java is structured and systematic programming language. This we have already discussed. Java is secure and crash free. Again, we discussed on the bytecode and as well as the role of JVM. So you can answer it, on the basis of those discussions. Then next comes out what are the tasks of Java class loader. This again we have discussed. The class loader is also having a very important role in loading your classes, managing classes, storing classes. So you need to discuss all these. You need to answer all these here. So if you have any doubt, any confusion in discussion, please feel free to discuss, because about the GBM I had this this thing I said in the at two three statements in last class. So please take care of that. JVM is only JVM is not responsible. You need to have so many other libraries, other jar files which will make your Java program to run. So Java runtime is responsible for running your program, JVM inside that. So thank you very much for seeing this again, and hope you will do all these. And if you have any question, please feel free to discuss. And even if you want to comment, I'll be happy to get your comments. So thank you very much. Please.